Sup, sup, and welcome to this very new stream. Let me turn on a little bit of chilling music. Always. Yeah. System. Right. The title. Oh hell no. Oh. Interesting. Add everyone doing the damage system right now. Right. Yeah, I guess we could answer that question first. What is SKYLANDIA? It's what the hell? So LMAO. Alright, so we're going to start now. Am I even live? I really can't tell. It looks like it though. Hi guys. Alright, so maybe it like fucked a bit up because I did the stream wrong. Okay, but I did something off camera, right? Just a little bit. And it's this. No, not this. What? I mean, theoretically, yeah. Apply damage. Did I actually make a function called apply damage? Yeah, I did. Which will just... I see. So, let's actually... How should we do that? I think it would be better if we use the entity prototype here, because... you guys will see. Yeah, actually no, let's do it right now. Entity? I could literally just copy that. And wanna be this entity. We can we could have just copied it, all of it. Honestly. Oh, the stream's kinda... I think the stream is a little bit bugged. It's not. Weird. Maybe it's still the link. It's fucked up right now. I don't know. For some reason. It's fucked up right now. Okay. So yeah, apply damage. You see, there's gonna be different damage types, which is why we have to change up a bit. Change some stuff a bit. Oh my god. And to entity. Alright, and then we have equal to entity.get component health, the entity health component, type type entity health component, health component, and then instead of this we're going to do health dot current minus equal to that const. We just have to do health dot set current to new health. If new health is smaller than 0, we turn that. So want another interface. Options. Options. Alright, and then do we need a type for damage options? I don't think we gonna have one damage option. Oh no, like physic, magic. I cannot read Russian, I'm sorry, but hello. Physic. This looks weird. Damage, magic, and true. All of those are numbers. Number. So we have the damage options. We have to say that the parameter for this boolean, to say that this is the import import dot slash entity prototypes dot damage options. So yeah, damage options dot, yeah, now we have to actually we do something a little bit different. We have to make them conditional so they don't, yeah. And then we'll do object.keys of, or object.entries of amount, and for each X and Y, that's more like type and value. Right. So something different. Let modified health by equal to 0. And then we can just switch type case Why doesn't it show me the type? Can I like say what it is? I think it has to be here? I really don't know, honestly. Add type. It's gonna be the same type as. Well, let me see if I can even override the type, okay? Number. Yep, because that exists. Is this a number now? Nope. Okay, so that's not how it works. Maybe param. No, okay, so let's not do that. We just have to trust ourselves. Case damage. We'll do the calculation for the damage. Then case magic. We'll do the magic calculation. And case true. We're just gonna modified health minus equal to value. Magic, I'm just gonna do all of them right now, but theoretically the damage cost should, yeah. And we'll do const new health equal to health minus modified health. And then health dot set current to new health. Alright. That should do it. Yeah. Okay, so the damage, or we could literally just copy this over, right? Because the player also has damage options. Or will have damage options. So yeah, let's make it work for the player too. We don't need to get the health component. But we still can loop over the health and value. And instead of health, or new health is just player dot Skyl dot current health minus equal to modified health. Let's do player dot current health this. So yeah, we could pack this into a function, right? God no. Function calc damage and then returns a number. Oh. Right? No, we will literally just use this. Just copy this. And let modified health equals 0, and then we return it. I think that's the play. Then we can do calculate damage with the amount, as well as doing it for here. That looks clean enough for me, but I would move this somewhere else, but I guess I can leave it here for now. So yeah, there are gonna be 3 types of damage: attack damage, magic damage, whatever. Right? And I have a system already for that. For a weapon. Now I just gotta make that the weapon actually applies the damage. Because I did some coding off screen. I have this, right? So I want on hit to have a return value. Return value being damage options. So let's say that in here. This is my... No, those are the entity prototypes. Huh. Maybe I should make a global.d.ts file. Do I even need to export it? I don't know. But we don't need it from here. This doesn't resolve to anything, of course, now. It has to be / global and then damage options. We need to do this also for this one, as well as for this one. Alright. Weapon export. To a import of... I wonder if I can do that. / global dot damage options. I'm gonna make it a normal import. Just a casual import. I can make this damage options. And then we can damage options. Damage options or undefined. I think that would work. So damage could be or should be an object. Damage, let's say 10. The weapon should deal 10 damage. Right? And on hit we return or damage. So do we have to return this? I see. It's hard to pass in this damage object. We cannot use this, right? We cannot do this either. We cannot really access this, no? Even if we make this an arrow function, we'll get the... I mean, we could make it a part of the components. And then we could access it. Like having a damage component. Like this. Let's do that. Components. Damage options. We can just return this dot damage on hit. That would be my idea. Right? So on hit, handler, on hit, if this, and then we'll do all of this. Const damage is equal to that, and then we herd entity dot skyl. We can't see it yet because interface entity skyl interface skyl entity. It's gonna be a skyl entity. Yo, the boss. What's up? Apply damage is not gonna be this. It's gonna be import from. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Global damage options. It's gonna be damage options. There we go. And then we can literally just copy that. Now we should have the types for maker. Wait, oh. Handlers. Herd entity dot skyl dot apply damage. Because damage should be damage options. If damage, then we do this. That sounds good. Let's see if it works. Holy shit, I had my game open for long. Reload. I'm not gonna kill the cat. I should be able to one-shot it. Hey, it did kill itself! Guys, it killed itself. That's good. I should be able to deal 10 damage with... It's bugged. Yeah. I should be able to deal 10 damage. Yep. It might be that I deal 9 damage because the hand itself deals 1 damage. Wait. Husk. Give me a husk. Oh no. I one-shot everything. That's not good. Might as well. Let's see how much damage I actually deal. Bro, stop drifting. What? Why the hell do I one-shot him? I just one-shotted him. Wow. I just one-shotted him though. Shit, I hate that it skips to here instead of here. So modified health, and then we return the modified health? And we have the health. Oh, oops. Health dot current. We're subtracting the modified health from the object, but we want the current health. That's not good. Now, slash summon husk. Bleh. He instantly heals back. But I know for a fact that he just took damage. You see? I don't know why he heals back though. Bro, why, broski, why are you healing back to full? What is setting his HP though? Like he's taking damage. Wait. Carry property components of undefined weapon handler 24. Handler 24. Yeah, if I don't have a weapon, I can't trigger this function, obviously. We don't need the test. So, tell me why you won't take any damage. Maybe it's just a husk. You know, maybe it works on this fish. No, you see, it instantly heals. Like for a second. Oh no, but only one damage. What's going on? There's... Get all players, right? I'm not doing this for entities. And this also for players only. Player spawn. Display. I'm not changing anything in display, am I? For the entities. If so, let's try to remove that, because I don't think that that's the issue, right? Because I'm not actively setting something, right? But yeah, now it it just heals. I want to know the reason why it just heals. Let's debug a bit. If the object exists, we apply the damage. The apply damage function for the entity prototype is this. It's a function that takes in the mod, calcs the damage, and then returns the modified health. Console.warn modified health. -30. That's -30, isn't it? How can the modified health be -30? And how can it be -30 all the time? Wait, did it heal? It did. Guys, it healed because it's negative. But why is it negative? It said minus equal the value. Do we have to break? I swear to God, if that's the issue, then I'm never gonna use switch statements again. If break was the issue, then I'm never going to use switch statements again. Okay. At least. But you guys see that my weapon heals, right? Oh, because we do modified health, right? And we subtract the modified health. So we plus. Now it did. Now it cooked. But my fist still deals 1 damage with my hand. So what I would do, I would always subtract -1. Or the apply damage, like -1, right? No matter what I do, the weapon will always I need someone with a little bit more HP. Please deal 10 damage. 12. Maybe 1. 10. Oh, this is awkward. Math.floor. I don't know why that would make something, but at least it killed it now. But you see what exactly is happening with the health for a second, like for a fraction? You see, oh, it's 19, and after 1 tick, it's... I see. So the tick that the weapon deals damage also counts, I guess. Because it's not happening on the same tick. What we could do is make the health update every 2 ticks. But I think that's also not really a good option. At least I think so. And I don't think that it will actually fix the problem. No, it just makes it less obvious. Not even that necessarily. Yeah, this is using a run interval. But what if we use a function to update the entity's health? You know. Because... oh, but it's still not happening on the same tick, right? No, but the health only gets updated. Okay, nah, did the old one had the same problem? I don't remember if that was a problem. I never looked at the health that closely. But I'm gonna pull up Cheat Engine so I can so you guys understand what's happening. Right. So we have a husk, right? And when I hit it, wait a second. For a second, you see, guys? For a tick. But the second one it kills. And hello, Pablo. See? 19 and then 10. If I do it here, it just instantly dies. So wait, it's only on the first one. I need I need something that has a little bit more health. What is more than 20 health? An Enderman, right? Yeah, so. Yep, 9 and then 30. Oh, please don't do that. It's only gonna make it harder for me. And then... No, but this one deals 10 exactly. Iron Golem, yeah, that's a better one. Oh no, but this one didn't again. Let me kill him first. Slash summon Iron Golem. Can't I just disable the damage? There are 10. Now without the thing. Now again without. There was the delay again. I think it's because it's not happening in the same tick, but why? Yeah, you see? So weird. I mean, it's fine, you know, but like... Can't I disable the damage from the weapon? Like... Damage? Max damage? That's not the... Oh, that is the damage, right? Is that the weapon damage or is that the durability? Let's see. Let's give Minecraft normal speed again. Alright. What? Object. Okay. I got baited by... Oh. What? Thank you for the answer, by the way. What do you mean, man? What do you mean? Max damage. Why does max damage not work? Or is it the wrong format version? We could just make the player deal no damage, no? Their attack and damage 0. Oh, bye bye weapon. I mean, this ain't better. Now I can't hit him at all. It's like having a damage sensor, but like for everything else. Can I make the amount a ridiculously small amount so that it basically... like that? That has to work, right? Oh my god, it actually did, kind of. But look! No, that's correct, actually. Wait, it actually worked! Wait, that works? I guess it works. Okay, then we don't need the cursed thing anymore. Hold up, entity prototypes. Modified health, 0. And the weapon should deal. Okay, now let's see if we still have that bug. Okay. Summon. Okay. 10. 10. 10. 10. It looks good. Okay. That looks promising as fuck. Ooh. That shouldn't have happened. Why did that happen? Why not hit event? Because the hit event registers when you click on the always click on the entity and not just when you when it's hittable. Yeah, now it took 2 times the damage, like. When it gets close to 0, it just... Oh. But you could do a custom cooldown, yeah, but it's... The thing is, a custom cooldown would have... Like, that was the problem with my old thing. A custom cooldown would have been done in ticks, but in Minecraft you don't attack in ticks. You know? Like, yes, the attack comes through in ticks, but the actual attack is not based on the game tick. You can hear the sounds, right? Even though the game is at 0.25 speed. Minecraft doesn't attack in ticks. Okay, that still bugs out, it just bugs less out. Can I decrease it even further? I mean, 32-bit integer limit, I suppose. I'm gonna quit with 1 times speed. That kinda works, no? Did it? You see there's like a phase where I can't hit. But that's because of the damage thing. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. Won't you do a custom health system for the mobs? The mobs will use their own health, right? But the player uses a custom health system. But yes, it is basically a custom health system. The weapon doesn't actually deal 10 damage. I can show you how I've done it. Alright. So we have our weapons folder with like this weapon. It's with like the ID, with the yeah, we have to implement all of those, of course, but yeah, then we have the damage, and then when we hit something, we return the damage component or whatever this is, so the damage options object, and inside the entity prototypes we have a function, apply damage, that takes in that damage options object. It will calculate the damage, and from here we could calculate the damage. So when the damage is just regular damage, we can do stuff. When the damage is magic, we can like calculate stuff, and depending on that, we'll just have a modified health, and we return that modified health, and just subtract the modified health from the current health, like this. Yeah, that's how the damage system will work. The player damage system will have to be a little bit different though. But yeah, I wanna do damage indicators. Damage indicators sound like a good idea. Because well, those were the those kind of were the main selling point, I guess. Did someone join? I swear that I've heard something. Oh, and also I need to make an armor system and shit. But I don't think that it will be too hard. It will be way more than doable. Okay. Entities. Do we wanna use the name tag of the entity? do we actually want to use the entity itself? Indicator.json. Skyle indicator. Compound groups, nameable, false and true. I think. And do we need a collision box or something? We really don't. And then runtime identifier of a snowball. Because snowballs don't have any collision. At least I hope so. Also, I think I'm gonna implement a crit system this time. But I'm not really sure. I really hate percentages. I like chances. For reasons. Let's see if we need to create a client entity. For this entity to work, you know. Dot run interval for Skyle dot dimensions dot overworld dot get entities. Skyle indicator. Entity dot name tag is equal to some value. Let's see, because last time we did this, we had to add a client entity for the we need to relog. It's not a vanilla entity. Snowballs. Man's got them balls. Like that. Were there any errors? Doesn't look like it. Alright. You see, that's what I mean. The entity exists. Believe me, the entity does exist. But it needs a client entity to show the name tag. Oh no. Someone has to make a better language server for like better encoding than fucking Blockception. Come on, please. But I'm too stupid, and I don't want to spend time on it. No animations, no scripts, and then it's not like something that's completely invisible. Alpha test. Alpha test. Textures entity. Do I even need a? I don't know. Dot default. And that's not. Can I create an entity without any geometries or texture? Is that possible? Yeah. Oh, but it has a name tag. If it doesn't have a geometry and shit, then it doesn't need a render controller, right? We're completely breaking the game. Oh, fun fact, a thing that I found out is that you don't even need to rejoin when you edit client shit or resource shit. You can just... Okay, we need a render controller. Yo, we need a render controller. Is there a different render controller? Name tag? Nope. Controller dot. Oh, Agent Ally Bat Dolphin Evoker. What doesn't have a texture, guys? Is there any entity that doesn't have a texture? Billboard? Is there like a billboard renderer? Agent, what the hell is an agent? Yeah. I really, but why? I guess I could make my own render controller. That just doesn't accept anything. It needs a geometry and it needs materials. Typing ASMR. Ah, okay. Yeah, so we need to have a texture and a geometry, which is, I don't know, for an invisible entity kinda weird. And default textures, default. Hey, why did it? Can I just leave it empty? No. Or maybe. Shit. Fine, then we're just gonna create a geometry that doesn't have anything in it. New bedrock entity. File. Export. Why is this in resource rampage? Packs, resource packs. Models? Does it have to be in the models folder? Okay, sorry. What? I was too fast, so I went into a folder that doesn't even exist. Interesting. Models, indicator, geometry.indicator. Does it need a texture? We'll find out. Cannot find file, texture missing. Well then don't use a texture, that's that easy. Not SKYLANDIA, it's like a Hypixel Skyblock type of thing. Wait, it works without errors? Nah. Oh, I thought for a second. Because it would have been too nice if it would have worked with an empty geometry. Or does it have to be in a different folder? Did I misspell the folder? I don't think I did. I hope. Models, and then the GeoJSON models entity. Oh, it has to be in an entity folder. Okay. Oh, yep. Let's see if it fixed the error. Okay, this isn't showing any errors. That's good. Please don't tell me that the texture is missing. I just want to create an empty entity that has nothing except the name tag. Why? You gotta... Wait, the default. You gotta do me like that. If there's no geometry, couldn't you just use any texture? Well, I did try to not use a geometry, but then it complained that... But the render controller complained that the geometry default was not provided. So you must have a... 1 pixel, that's all it's gonna get. Textures, entity, blank.png. Yes. Textures, entity, blank. No, it really shouldn't have a reason to complain. See? The reason why I want to use name tags is because they look at you. Just cool. And because you can hit through them. Like this entity, you can build through it. You can do anything. That's why I want to use... Yeah, this shit. Watch the panda. Huh? Oh, kick. Alright. Then... we just gotta spawn in one of those, and then... Wait, what do I want to do? Oh yeah, a timer. Timer. Time. 2 seconds. It doesn't need to loop, but sure. Pro groups. Skyl despawn. Despawn. Instant despawn. Skyl despawn. Skyl despawn. Yeah, that should work. So after 2 seconds the entity despawns. Now I wanna like display the damage and no, have fun. Hmm. How should we do this, guys? Should we... Oops. I think I have an idea. Let's make a function. Function spawn indicator. Oh, unless, because this is gonna calculate some value, right? The calculation of magic resistance will be different than from the damage, and the true damage doesn't basically exist. And I wanted to show the post mitigation damage, right? So I need to implement all the logic in here. Oh well. We can still make a function to spawn in the indicator. Spawn indicator. Yeah. Entity. We have to pass in the entity. Entity amount type like this, and let's auto generate those. Entity amount a number, oh, number, and the type is a key of the damage options. So when I do type is equal, yep, that works. So do we just hardcode a map? Or hardcode color codes? First of all, let's randomize locations. How about that? Do we just... const offset x is equal to math.random times 10, right? Do we like kinda... Yo, come to stream. Yeah, 1 to 10, then we divide it by 10. That should give us a random number of 1 decimal point. Yep. Of 1 decimal point. Oh hell no. And then minus 0.5. And then we'll run the same operation for the z coordinate. And now we have our offset. Now we just offset is equal to vector.add entity.location with our new vector where x is our offset x, where y is 0 and z is our offset z. So this is the location where the entity should spawn. Then we take the dimension of the entity and spawn in our damage indicator. Let's spawn the dimension.spawn entity skyl colon indicator. The location is our offset. Const indicator indicator dot name tag is equal to the amount, and then we need to color code it, right? We can literally just do a map. Const color map. And a color map is it's a actually we don't need to say that. So damage will have a color code of this, while magic has a color code of this, while white has a color code of white. True damage has a color code of that. And when we get the color map with the type, and then we can literally just spawn indicator with the entity, the value, and the key, a key of this, 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 magic, true damage, over /reload, spawn in an iron golem. I see why though, because in our main we still do this, which is also the entities are not despawning because yeah, and the location is randomized. You get me? Just that I don't like the location. It's a little bit. It's not enough. So yeah, we could also 0.25. Can do times 20 and -1. Should we divide by 10? We'll see. Okay. I like that. Yes, I like that. I imagine if we would have had Are there only spawning on one side? No, there aren't. That's actually a nice system. I will foolproof it though, because I am not sure about me being me. No. 6 plus. Oh, what? I got the same number 2 times in a row. I think it's a bit bug because of floating point precision. Yeah, that's not really better, but it's all negative values, isn't it? No, it's also it can also be positive. Hey, that's actually. Yeah, okay, it can be positive. I'm just a little unlucky. Dude, fucking floating point precision. It's lucky that it doesn't really matter in our case, but I like the indicators. Now, what if the weapon would deal magic damage? As well as a bit of true damage. We can just do this and then go here and magic. I don't know, 5 damage. And then true, it will deal 1 damage. No, it should only. It should spawn 3. Okay. That's funny though. It works though. Just good. Ha! This is funny. So okay, magic damage, normal damage and true damage works. Like with the colors and all that. Wait, does the damage work? Yes, and it even deals the correct damage. I can already tell that this is already a way better system that than we had in the old SKYLANDIA, like in the old version of it. I like this system way more because it's so much more flexible. I really see the potential in this. But we need some kind of decoration around the text, because it's kinda boring right now. But it works. Guys, just a reminder, this is not using like any kind of damage, this is our own damage system. Can I be tester? I will make a test server actually, so yeah. Someday I will probably make a a test server when I have like the basic stuff, and then you can join. My plan to release it, I'm gonna release the very first version of this when I got the defense set up. Like my to-do list is defense setup, generators for like resources. Oh guys, I have never showed you the map, right? I am sometimes I have that weird, I know my weird 5 minutes where I build something, right? And I'm already kind of building like the cave system for like SKYLANDIA. I have my 5 minutes, right? So this is what I'm currently sitting on, the crystal cave. I didn't have much done here, but that's the theme that's gonna be in, right? Not really something special. And then here this is gonna be like where I can find emeralds, right? This is like this. And yeah, like this is for the map. Do you need a GUI? A GUI? What do you mean with GUI? You mean like a sidebar or something like that? But I mean like forms. Like the concept. That's good. Yeah. Like click a menu like forms. Yeah, I can Panda, by the way. I know how to do forms, but if you mean custom forms, then I don't know. I mean, I will probably need some kind of menu. Because, well, for what would I need a menu? Like to check your stats, probably? But that means that we have to design more icons. What can be done? Hey, don't betray. I'm not betraying you. I can make you some custom UI. You guys can leave suggestions or not. What the hell? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What the hell? If you guys wanna contribute to this project, then I am not stopping you guys. You can there's a channel, right, on my Discord server, SKYLANDIA Suggestions, where you can post anything, and if I think it's good, then yeah, it will be added to the game. So now I'm just trying to make like some kind of star symbol for I don't know. There's some kind of star symbol. Wait, I think there is already a star symbol in like... Wait, what was the old one? The old Skylandia? Pause my for you to see if you wanna like it. Okay, sure. There's even a showcase channel, so even if it's not Skylandia related, you can always post stuff on my Discord server on the showcase channel. The Nether Star? Yeah, kind of the Nether Star, yeah. It looks like a Nether Star. The how's it called? The icon, yeah, wait. Resource packs. Skylandia. Also, the old Skylandia had it done with the default thing. There, this symbol, right? Okay, but it's weird, I don't like it. Gotta make it with glyphs. And hello, Alec. Come to stream. Yeah, I don't quite like this symbol. I should make a new one. Is there like a different star symbol? The good thing with glyphs is that or not with glyphs, with font is that they can be colorized. I don't think that glyphs can have colors in them, right? At least I think so. So that won't work. Because I want the stars to be seeable. But first of all, maybe we can just use the nether stars. Just ooh. Those are some really good looking. Did you make those? Send you some. Yeah, but did you make those? What's the problem is I kinda have to well, not kinda, I have to do my own content. Like I'm not allowed to use other glyphs because I am planning on making this public. Bottom one, not the top two. Ah. They look good. They look good. But I need a star symbol. I think I'm just gonna desaturate or edit a nether star a bit. I think that would do the trick. Resource rampage. Yeah. So there's this GitHub repo where you can just go to file, nether star nether_star.png, and we're going to download it. There's a star in the top one. Yeah, but then again, I can't really use the ones that I don't have permission to, or the ones that the ones that not belong to me. Oh my god, the nether star is off-centered, guys. Wait, hold up. Oh my god. This just straight up ruined Minecraft for me now. The nether star is off-centered. They're public gifts. Yeah, public gifts, but like not for commercial use, I suppose. Like I don't think that the creator wants other people to make money out of that. And well, while I'm not gonna monetize the server, I am gonna have donations because it costs money to run a server. The contrast, I think I do not want that much contrast, do I? Like maybe like this. Let's make it 50 and 70 because I don't know. Like that? Oh, nah. Like, you won't notice it when it's small, right? Is it? Like, I also do that. Yeah, that looks good. Now we have to copy this and paste it into the glyphs. Desktop, pex, rp, font. Oh, oh, hi. Hey, yo. Yeah. Exactly. Cool. I'm just gonna... Alright, so, 16, right? We're 16 here. Wait, no. 16 here. 256? That's the total size. It should be 32. Yeah, this is the real selection. And then here is the nether star. Let's color it in like black or something. No, not black, but yeah. I can just put it here. I'm planning on custom geo weapons. It's complicated. Like, I am, but probably not in not the way you guys would think. Like, I don't want to have like big wands or anything. Like, I still want to keep it vanilla-ish, but some weapons, I think I'm gonna make 3D. It's okay. Damage system. Dang. Thanks. Sleep well. Well. Yeah, wait. I'm supposed to do it in Skyle and then symbols. Let's call it star. And this is just from chart code point 2. Um, const this is equal to skyl. Symbols star. We can just use the star symbol. We really need money transfer system. I will probably make a bank system, like where you have like a personal bank and a bank system, a money system, but it's not a priority. Because I wanna get on the more challenging systems first, but yeah, I will make a bank system eventually. Alright, now let's see. Oh no. I saved, right? I did save, right? Why aren't the glyphs showing though? Like they're definitely appearing, right? Not really. Oh, I think it's because I can't have the program open because else I'm gonna get write errors. Oh my god, I got more Xbox points. Holy shit, that's quite a bit. Dude, this feature was probably the best feature ever. Like I could have you get points so fast just by gaming. It's really good. Star. It is valid, no? Then why can't I post it? Huh? Why isn't the... No, but why isn't it showing? Hold up. From Cookpoint, but I already... Oh. I can see the background. It's like... you guys can see a background. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's like a very light background. But the actual glyph isn't there. Why? Why? Oops. Packs, RP, textures, no, not textures, font, Glyphy 2. Man, it is... What? It despawned! It despawned. Did I put it in the wrong pack? Did I put it in... Oh, I did. I put it in the copy. I think you saved it. I did save it. I just copied it to the copy. Hey, this pen looks different than this one. Or am I coping? I think I went completely insane with this. No, I didn't, but I messed up the background because I know that the background is not actually a background. Delete, select, and repaint. And now the background should be this color. Okay, good. I'm gonna save this one too, just because I don't trust in myself anymore. And I don't even need to restart the game, I can just do this. Never mind, I need to restart the game. Because Regolith is stupid. Cannot access anything with... Are you German? Yes, I am German. Ja, ich bin Deutsch. It's way too big. That's what she said. And it's also not centered. Let's Nah, but why is it so big? Yeah, first of all, I wanna get rid of the other types of damage. Just the normal one. Slash reload. Yeah, no, it's too big and off-centered. Why? Why did I close it again? Open reveal in File Explorer. Will we reveal in File Explorer? You guys think that I can make it small without losing like too much quality? So I like the style. That's cute, that's cute, that's cute. I wanna have these. 32. And then I need to get this somehow centered. Or do I? Oh my god, Regolith, you can't save it because it's saving while you save it. That's weird. It's smaller, but for some reason it went up a pixel. But I like the size. Not just because for some reason, because I made it so. Like this. Actually, even the heart is 1 pixel too high in my opinion. Maybe I should decrease it too. I think it is already met. Yeah, you see the heart is also 1 pixel too high. Can I decrease it still? Yeah, I can. So why am I not doing it? Huh, weird. Select and paint. Save. Save. Rejoin. Alright. Okay, the health is perfect though. But this one is just... It's fine actually. And now we need to match the color scheme. Now we need to match the color scheme. Because there's gonna be multiple of the stars. How am I gonna match the color scheme? I can't just paint it in one color, right? Would have to do... Let's make it red first. Just straight up red. Just straight up red. And then we give it a little bit of saturation. I firstly wanna get it like red, and then I wanna kind of get to the color. Let's screenshot the real color. As an example. Oh, it's so big. Actually, the color is quite close, isn't it? But like, imagine those two being next to each other. You wouldn't see a difference, wouldn't you? I could just reshade it, honestly. But I'm really bad at shading, so how bad can it be? How bad could it get? I don't have to do much, right? I could just... And then like... Is this darker? Should be brighter. Because, well... I'm honestly even doubting that you can see that in game. I thought I made it brighter. I did. We need to kind of match those colors a little bit more. Like, I don't know, 90. Oh, that's way too dark. Or maybe? Maybe? I mean... I could look at it, okay? It's not the best, but I could theoretically look at it without dying. Now let's try to match the other color schemes. Nah, now I need to find... $32 plus 16, 48. So it's at 48. This area here. Of course. Of course, this is taking up the space. 48, 16 by 16. That's not 16 by 16. This is there. Actually, let's recolor this first. So, now it needs to be like some kind of bluish color, like this one. Right? So, let's try to get to this color. We do not want red, we do not want to decrease that thing. But now this looks very off. Those are some really bad colors for this. We make it a... Okay, let's try to get it blue first. Ah, I see. Okay, no, that's not helping me. Unless... There's way too much contrast. Did it flip? Oh yes, I flipped it. Because of how I inverted the colors, it flipped. It did indeed flip. At this point I should just retexture it, honestly. But I'm that lazy. But I am really that lazy. Actually, this looks good enough. Honestly, I mean those edges could have a little bit more contrast, like those ones. Like that. Yeah. How many pixels are there? 16 by 16, 32 by 32. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the right distance. And then we would have 1, 2, 3, and then there would be our third and last star. Which would be just white. No saturation. Yeah, no saturation, it looks dark. Oh, I like that. But I think it's fine. Thought for a second that those are maybe too bright, but you guys always gotta see it in Minecraft, because in Minecraft you don't really see that much difference in the color, because look, they're that small. Can't really see that much difference, right? So Minecraft things look very different. Than in-game. Okay, now we still have to edit a bit in our... It's the star red. Star blue, star white, from code point 3, from code point 4. Alright, then star red, star blue, star white. Const star star red, star blue, star white, and the star map type, and then that should already work. I want to rejoin though. Please work. Why is it white? Did the texture update? Did I didn't save the file. Oh my god. The regular is dying and now to rejoin and then it will work. Hopefully. Okay. Not too bad. Maybe a bit too saturated, but not bad overall. Let's check out the other ones. Magic. Let's try it out with magic damage. Okay, yeah. So the color changes if you actually look at it or not. And yeah, from afar you can't really see the difference, right? But when you get close to it, it looks good. Maybe I should increase the contrast. But I think it's okay for now. And then white. Or true. 10 true damage. That's good though. That's freaking good. And I think that's the perfect time to end the stream. Bye bye guys, and I hope to see you in the next stream where I will do the defense system. Bye bye.